Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Crossref Scraper by ParsForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. This scraper lets you collect structured academic publication data directly from Crossref, the world's largest scholarly metadata database. You can extract titles, DOIs, authors and abstracts, publisher and journal details, citation metrics, and ready-to-use citation formats. This is ideal for researchers, librarians, students, and anyone managing academic references at scale. So, how does it work? There are two ways to use this actor. One, you can grab a URL directly from crossref.org if you already know what you're searching for. Or you can use a search query and sort them according to what you need. Remember, you can use only one of the search methods. So, for this demo, we'll use a search query. For example, machine learning. And we'll leave it at default. We choose the maximum number of items, and then we run the actor. You can either run it once, or you can schedule it according to your needs. For this demo, we'll run it once. And now, we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you get a dataset table in the Output tab, where each row represents a publication. For every paper, you'll receive DOI and DOI URL, title and publication date, authors and publishers, cleaned abstract text, and reference count and cited by count. And most importantly, you'll get multiple citation formats ready to copy or export. You can export this data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file, and this makes it easy to plug the data into reference managers, research databases, or data analysis workflows. So, instead of manually searching for papers, copying DOIs, formatting citations, and cleaning abstracts, the Crossref Scraper allows you to do all of that automatically at scale and in just a couple of minutes. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you enjoy this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.